All right, welcome back to the channel. I'm Greg, and I gotta go pick up my kid from school. I got about 5 minutes to get down this trail. Let's see if I can make it. This is Blue Dream, one of the newest trails at Rocky Knob. Jumping skills required. Let's see what happens, because I don't have them. So you go over this little wood bridge, and then I think you actually have to pedal quite a bit just to even clear some of these. Here we go. Drop. Yeah, baby. That was huge. So was that. Yay. Oh, nice. All right. Boosted off a rock, as we do around here. And now these are uphill, which doesn't make a lot of sense. Here comes the clearing. Oh man. All right, after a tight berm, get to the intersection of the new trail, which is a dual slalom course. It's not open yet, so you end up doing the bottom of Stone Soup, which you can kind of charge. It's got some wood features, but totally safe. All right, to finish it off, it's kind of fun. You can either climb up this hill and go back to the saddle, or you do this non-named, it's like a riverbed or something. It was listed as a double black, but it's really just, I don't even know if it's a trail. It's super steep and rocky though. Here we go, oh God. This is where the brakes get heating up a little bit. Chunky! Not advisable on a fully rigid bike. But on an enduro bike, this is child's play, man. Well, maybe not child's play. Boy. Made it. All right, till the next ride. All right, so I'm here after the ride, just hanging out on a beautiful day with my favorite ridiculous metal ostrich. And the Vapors from New Anthem Brewing out of Wilmington. This is a 7% alcohol by volume IPA brewed with Citra, no, not Citra, but rather Galaxy. And Simcoe is what I meant to say. So this is kind of a conflicting hop bill because Simcoe is a standard West Coast hop. Tasting notes are like cat pee and marijuana, so it's just kind of funky and nasty. Whereas Galaxy, you might know, is my favorite hop. Tastes like bubblegum, cotton candy, passion fruit. So we'll see which wins out, if any. Or it might just be kind of a weird beer, but this looks like the haziest beer I've ever seen. Shout out to Green Man Brewing out of Asheville with the glass there. This is really like completely opaque. It smells like... Oh, it smells like Simcoe. Yeah, you do get the funk. Not a lot of fruit at all. So this may be a kind of a Simcoe dominated beer. Cheers. Oh, wow. The opposite. Actually, this is like a Galaxy beer. I wouldn't even know the Simcoe's in this. I mean, it smells like it. But it tastes like a Galaxy IPA, which is rad. I have reviewed New Anthem beer on this channel before. And I probably had 5 IPAs from them, and they've all been good. Also, killer logo. So 5 for 5 for New Anthem. That's awesome. I really recommend that, and that brewery, and specifically the Vapors is the best one I've had from them. Super chunky IPA. So I'm gonna keep chilling here with my ostrich, but you go get yourself some New Anthem beer. Cheers until the next ride.